Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are going to discuss about the questions of worksheet 1 of chapter 7. Yesterday I have told you about the transpositions of the variable and the number from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Yesterday we did even the question when the variable is only on the one side of the equation. But today now we are going to discuss when the variable are on the both side of the equation. 3x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 minus x. The first step what we have to do, we have to take the variable on one side of the equations and the constant number on other side of equations. Like 3x is in the LHS, so I am going to transposition of this minus x to LHS. It will become plus because I have told you that subtraction sign will change into addition sign. Here this number 1 by 5 has to be taken to RHS, so 2 minus 1 by 5. This is again a case of fraction, so we have to take the LCM, and LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 divided by 1, 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 5 divided by 5, 1 multiplied by 1 minus. And 3x plus 1x, 4x. So 4x is equal to 9 by 5. And we have to find the value of this variable. That is the solution of this equation. To find the value of variable, say this 4 being multiplied with x will go for division in RHS. So it will become 9 by 20. Now we have to check. Check means to put the value in LHS and RHS. 3x plus 1 by 5 LHS. And RHS part is 2 minus x. So I am going to put the value of x, 3 into 9 by 20 plus 1 by 5, 27 by 20 plus 1 by 5. After taking the LCM, LCM is 20, 27 plus 4, 31 by 20. Now we have to simplify RHS, 2 minus 9 by 20. Again we have to take the LCM. LCM of 20 and 1 is 20 divided by 1 multiplied by 2, 40. 20 divided by 21 multiplied by 9. So 40 minus 9, 31 by 20. Look, both LHS and RHS, they are equal, and this is what we have verified the given equation. Hence verified. Now moving to the next question, solving, check. Now this variable is here 7 by y. And we have to find the value of this y. So we have to take the constant on other side of the equation. So 21 minus 9 plus 1 will go for subtraction. 7 upon y is equal to 28. Now we are having both the side having one single term. So we can even do by cross multiply. Otherwise we can shift 7 to there. It's your wish. So 7 into 1, 28 into y. And the y is 7 by 28, that is 1 by 4. The value of y is 1 by 4. Now to check again, LHS and RHS both. RHS is a single number, so I am going to put the value in LHS. 7 upon y plus 1. 7 upon 1 by 4. Now this is the case when we are having a fraction and there is again a fraction in the denominator. It means you are going to divide 7 by 1 by 4. And to change the division sign into multiplication, my dear student, we will get it reciprocal. The 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1 and plus 1. 7 4s are 28 plus 1, 29, and the RHS is here 29. So you have proved LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Now moving to the next question, again solving, check. Now in LHS we are having two terms which are variables, x by 2 plus x by 4 is equal to 12. Now I am going to tell you one more method. Instead of shifting the term, what you have to do, we'll take firstly the LCM of all the three terms in the equation. 2, 4 and 1. The LCM is 4. 4 divided by 2, 2x. 4 divided by 4, 1, 1x. 4 divided by 1, and that is equal to 12 4s are 28. Now my dear student, this 4 has LCM of all the terms in the equation. So now you are going to just equate the terms of this equation leaving this 4. Now because the 4 is common to all the terms, so you can now leave this 4 and you just solve this equation. 2x plus 1x is equal to 48. So 3x is equal to 48 and x is equal to 48 by 3, that is 16. So the value of the variable you have taken out is 16. Now to check LHS, RHS, we are having only one number. So x by 2 plus x by 4, 16 by 2 plus 16 by 4, 16 by 2 8 plus 16 by 4 4, and 8 plus 4 is 12, and we are having RHS is 12. So you have proved LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Now the next question is again solve and check. Now in this equation we are having 3 terms and all the terms are in fraction. So first step is to take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 5, 8 and 12 is 120. You can take it out here. Now 120 divided by 5, that is 24, multiplied by 2, 48y. 120 divided by 8, 15, 5s are 75, 10, 5s are 50. Now this 120 is common to all the terms, so we are just going to write the equation. We can leave this 120 now. Now 48 minus 75. Now one term is positive, other is negative. Just subtract the 48 from 75. 27, but minus 75, the bigger term is of negative sign, so minus 27, y is equal to 50 and y is equal to minus 50 by 27. If you want to keep it is like this, 50 upon minus 27, it will become automatically in the standard form minus 50 by 27. Now verification. In RHS we are having only the one term 5 by 12, so we are going to put the value in LHS. 2 by 5y minus 5 by 8y. The value of y is minus 50 by 27. Again minus 50 by 27. 5 tens are 50. If you want to cut it, minus 20 upon 27. 4. Minus minus plus. 25 5s are 125, 27 4s are 108. Now again it is in fraction, so we have to take the LCM. The LCM of 27 and 108 is 108. 108. 108 divided by 24. 7 multiplied, 4. 108 divided by 27 will give you 4 multiplied by minus 20. Minus 80 plus 125. Now 125 minus 80, that will become 45 upon 108, and both are divisible by 9. 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 1, 9 2s are 18. It is now 5 by 12, and what we are having in RHS 5 by 12. So now LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So now home assignment for today. Do question number 6 to 12, worksheet 1, chapter 7.